exercise is really important for anybody suffering from low back pain. It trains the deepest core muscle, the transverse abdominis, which helps to relax your low back and put more of the stress on your core. So, for example, when we're sitting or when we're walking, we want the core to be stronger than the low back, or in minimum, as strong as the low back, so that it doesn't put so much pressure on your low back. So, the position that I have my patients lay in is feet flat on the table. And you're going to rotate your pelvis back so that your back is pushing against the table or the floor or your bed. And I want you to picture pushing your belly button into the table. What you're going to do is fill your stomach with a nice deep breath. Exhale and hold that abdominal contraction. You can hold that for 5, 10, 15, as long as you can. I'm holding the contraction this whole time while I'm talking. The whole idea is to contract your abdominal muscles, and that relaxes your low back. And again, I'm keeping this space closed off. And I'm looking up here with my neck, but when you're doing this, I want you just relaxing your head.